On the bench today, the Generation 3 Starlink roof mount kit. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived very safely. All of these items were individually packaged, and inside the package, you are going to get a set of instructions, easy to read instructions. It shows you all the tools that come with it and screws, and it walks you through it step by step on how to put it together, but I'll show you that. Really not much to it. First off, I want to point out that this is compatible with only the Starlink Generation 3, only that one. Fully assembled, it's going to weigh about 4 pounds, 10 ounces without the Starlink on it. So it's relatively lightweight. They've given us everything we need right here to put it together. And they've given us a bunch of different anchoring options. We've got drywall anchors with like wood lag bolts, so you can put this into wood. And they've given us 4 concrete anchors. There's a little wrench that comes with it, 2 different sizes, and you have 2 different sized Allen wrenches, one for the larger bolts and one for these 2 smaller bolts. Aesthetically, it's a nice looking mount. It is a sturdy build, steel and powder coated inside and out, which is good for preventing rust. Basically the way you're going to put this together, and you can do it in any series that you want. You're going to put these 2 adhesive backed pads into the Starlink. This is going to slide into there. You're going to use these 2 screws and washers with the smaller Allen wrench here, screw it into the Starlink. I like to keep everything together, so let's put these in here for now. You can mount this to the wall first if you want, assemble the poles, which I may do, but just to show you, you've got a slotted pole right here and a little bar, so this is just going to slide in like that, and you can see it moves around. So you got 2 different size bolts to use to mount the hardware on. So we're going to take the smaller one, run it through here, put this on, and we aren't going to tighten it down yet because you can move this around and set it into any place that you want, as you can see. So maybe you want to do that first, maybe you want to do that last. It's completely up to you. This piece right here, you can see is angled and it's got 2 holes in it. You really can't put this in the wrong way because the holes will only line up when it's sitting at the right angle. You're going to use the 2 larger bolts and the locking nuts that they put on here, and you can use the wrench if you want, or a box end wrench if you have it, crescent wrench. Once that's all together, you're going to slide this guy on it. Now you can rotate this any way you want. Once you get it into the angle that you want, you can use the 2 thumb screws right here to lock it into place. This whole thing's about 26 inches long, and obviously it's going to depend on where you have it angled. You can see that the gear base on here gives you all kinds of different options for adjusting the direction of the unit. You have basically 180 degrees of movement here. And the top pole just uses these 2 set screws to lock it into position, so you have 360 degrees of rotation here. Plenty of movement to help you lock in a good signal. So there you go, a 3rd generation Starlink mount like this would be great for wall mounting or positioning under an eave, roof mounting, or mounting it on fences or rails, all kinds of options. Very nice.